Hello, my name is Kym Henderson. I'm the convener of ISO Technical Committee 258 Working Group 12. WG12 is currently responsible for the ISO standards on earned value management and work breakdown structures. We have recently published ISO 21508 2026, which is the ISO EVM standard second edition, and we had previously published ISO 21512 2024, which is the ISO EVM Implementation Guidance standard. We are currently working on the second edition of ISO 21511 on work breakdown structures, which is currently at the draft international standards stage. What needs do these standards address? Across government and industry sectors worldwide, organisations continue to struggle with delivering projects and programs predictably, close to planned schedule, budget, and originally approved scope. This is not limited to mega projects. It affects projects of all sizes in multiple industry and government sectors. The two ISO EVM standards and ISO 21511 seek to address this by providing structured guidance for implementing integrated project governance, management and control frameworks using EVM, measuring performance objectively, enabling credible forecasts of cost and schedule outcomes, which are needed at all levels, but especially at the portfolio level where strategic decisions are made. These standards apply to any organisation and any project or program, regardless of size, complexity or duration. What's new in ISO 21508 2026? The second edition provides an opportunity to advance EVM and broader project controls practice. Three key enhancements drive this statement. The first are the 12 new integration clauses, which is shown on the slide. One notable example of the 12 is the integration of agile development. EVM is not limited to traditional waterfall delivery models. Using the guidance which aligns EVM and agile metrics, enabling objective performance measurements supporting EVM to take place without undermining agility. Second, again shown on the slide, is the direct integration of risk within the 11-step EVM process model, which is in clause 5. Third, which is not shown, is the inclusion of portfolio management, clarifying EVM's role within organisational level governance and delivery frameworks. At its core, EVM is about data-driven decision-making, where leaders and stakeholders can see clearly where they are with their project and program's progress and where they are heading based on objective measurement rather than intuition and optimism. EVM can uplift the maturity of the entire project, program and portfolio delivery ecosystem. However, none of this works without a solid foundation, which is the work breakdown structure. WG12's work on ISO 21511 aligns terminology with ISO 21506, which is vocabulary, and strengthens the guidance on various aspects of the WBS, including the relationship to other project, program and portfolio structures, notably the risk breakdown structure, setting up the WBS for agile developments, the uses and benefits of the WBS, including the use of the WBS for technical control, which is new. And finally, enabling the WBS to apply EVM. A properly structured WBS is not just a diagram. It's the structural foundation for effective project and program delivery. That is how important the WBS is. The value and impact of these standards, when properly applied as described in 21508 and 21512, the EVM standards, underpinned by 21511, EVM leads to better delivery outcomes than if EVM is not used. What excites me is leading a group of global EVM subject matter experts, codifying EVM methods and practice into the standards that I know from my own personal experience work and actually result in improved delivery outcomes when properly applied. Together, ISO 21508, 21512, underpinned by 21511, represents global consensus on best practice in integrated project governance, management and controls using EVM. The key takeaways are these: objective performance measurement and structured integration of the control systems are essential to achieving improved project and program outcomes. These ISO standards are not about compliance. They are about providing guidance on implementing an integrated framework using EVM, which enables better decisions and improved project delivery, performance and outcomes. Thank you for your interest in WG12 and our ongoing important work. Thank you.